Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be explaining you the science behind the fat gain, how fat gain is happening in the body. Alright, so whenever you consume something which is rich in carbohydrate or consists of carbohydrate, it simply goes into your stomach, get break down into single chain of glucose. Now this glucose is absorbed in your blood and start floating in the form of excess glucose. Since this glucose is floating in excess form in your bloodstream, so there is a hormone which is responsible to flush out this excess glucose which is floating in the bloodstream. The name of this hormone is insulin hormone and it is secreted from beta cell of pancreas. Now the question arises, where does this excess glucose gets flushed out? So there is some amount of glucose which is required for your body cell and muscle. So some amount of glucose is taken by them and the remaining glucose goes into the liver and gets stored in the form of glycogen over there. But still, if there is excess glucose floating in your bloodstream, again it will be going to the liver, but since its capacity is full, so it will be converting it into triglyceride, and this triglyceride is nothing but a fat molecule, and it will be stored in the fat cell in the form of fat molecule. So as the size of fat molecule will be increasing, at the same time the size of fat cell will be also increasing, and that is actually causing the fat gain in the body. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected, stay strong. Your coach Aditya Sharma.